Yo, it's a mess in here, bro. It's the next day. And we're installing the cage finally. Finally got it mocked up. Pretty much just drew on the plates for a little template. And Christian in here doing work with the drill. What are you doing there, dude?
Ready to pull this out so we can drill through it.
Fuck, scary. So, gonna drill through and reinstall the cage. Yeah, wish me luck. I'm too pussy to drill into my own car, so I have somebody else do it for me. Thanks, dude. This is super scary. Alright, so Christian had to go to work, so took the liberty of drilling this side. He finished the top two for me. I'm just gonna do the bottom two. And got this side done. I just need to hop over to the next side and let's get this cage install finished. So the cage is installed partly. I just need to tighten down those bolts over there, but I've got plates on all of these corners here. I do need some help by having somebody hold the bolts up here, and since Christian left, it's going to be a little hard to do, so I'm pretty much just going to hand tighten it now for now, throw a seat in here, and then just repark it until next weekend. Time is getting closer and closer to the track day. I don't know if I can even run a rear seat delete setup on the way, so it's gonna be pretty loud on my way to Thunder Hill. So we'll see what we can do. I may have done something bad. I think I stripped that bolt right there. Thank God it's just the bolt. Hopefully I could replace it. And yeah, this one's in. This one's in good. That one is not in. Oh man, I hate cars right now. But look at my car. Damn, the cage is in. Looks good at least. Oh well. Yo, so we got the homie Val in his Toyota Celsior. Right-hand drive. Looking sick. I didn't get any footage of me riding in it, but pretty fun car. Super weird at the start, but you get used to it. Everybody stares at you. It's pretty sick.
It's big. It's so big.
There he is.
You flip the camera.
And I'm gonna be installing these onto the car because I have huge scratch marks on the driver's side. So yeah, let's get it. RPG sponsored. Hell yeah. So we finally got it installed. Looks pretty good. No more huge gash on my mirror cover. So we've also got, hey Snow, what's up baby? Anyways, we've also got the cage in, but one thing I gotta fix is the seatbelt bolt, as stated from earlier. Another thing is painting the rear. I do want to go with the black paint. I'm not sure if truck bed liner would add any extra weight. I might go with that just to make it extra durable, or just might go with just a clean primer and paint. Gonna go with black. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of the vlog. Yeah. So thanks for watching again. Love, peace, and rumble. Later.